Hello guys! Today, have you ever wanted to make your own spider in besiege? Well, I can help you right now with a tutorial. But first, you have to watch my spider. It it can move or it's do like this. You can see in the bit like that. Like that. I don't know why it doesn't do that, but it's still fun. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. Yeah, let's go to the tutorial. I'm just gonna remove these so the tutorial can be better. So be right back. This is the tutorial. First, you have to do this. Second, do this. Third, do this. Just keep going. Fourth, do this. Keep going again. And fifth, you're done. What's this? But that's okay. Wait, look at my wait. I wanna look at my spider real quick. Okay, so this is the easy part. This is the easy part. You have to do like these. It's the hinge. Now you have to now you do the two and do like the steering hinge and do like the bottom with one like short wooden log. Yeah, but yeah, and there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 legs. So if you want to ask more, you can ask me in the community. I'll post a talk to me I'll post a talk to me soon. Very, very soon. So see you later, cock-a-doodle whoopsie doodles. I'm sorry.